Welcome everybody, we've been given this question: if x positive, y positive, z is equal to 6, x squared positive, y squared positive, z squared is equal to 30, x cubed positive, y cubed positive, z cubed is equal to 120, we are expected to find the value of x to the power of 4, positive y to the power of 4, positive z to the power of 4. So let me take this as 1, 2 and 3, and let me consider 1 first. So I'll be given x positive, y positive, z is equal to 6. Now let me square both sides. We get, so this is going to be x squared positive, y squared positive, z squared positive 2 times of xy positive, yz positive, zx is equal to 36. Now x squared positive, y squared positive, z squared is equal to 30, right? Since x squared positive, y squared positive, z squared is equal to 30, if I were to take this as 2, therefore I can rewrite 2 as 30 positive 2 times of xy positive, yz positive, zx is equal to 36. Move this 30 to the other side, you get 2 times of xy positive, yz positive, zx is equal to 36 negative 30, which will give you 2 times of xy positive, yz positive, zx is equal to 6. Divide by 2 both sides, we get xy positive, yz positive, zx is equal to 3. So I'm going to take this as 4. Okay, fair enough. So now what I'm going to do is I want to multiply 1 with 2. Okay, so if I were to do that, x positive, y positive, z multiplied with x squared positive, y squared positive, z squared is equal to 6 multiplied with 30. So this is going to, you need to multiply, so x into x squared, x cubed, positive x into y squared, positive x into z squared, y into x squared positive y cubed positive y into z squared, positive z into x squared positive z into y squared positive z cubed is equal to 180. Now I have x cubed, I have a y cubed, and I have a z cubed. So club them together, x cubed, y cubed plus z cubed. Positive, other terms you write the other terms. xy squared, xz squared, yx squared, yz squared, zx squared, zy squared. This is equal to 180, right? But x cubed, y cubed plus z cubed is equal to, is given here, 120, right? Is equal to 120, hence the above. So what comes to the above? So you have 120, hence the above becomes 120 positive of this entire term, xy squared, xz squared, yx squared, yz squared, zx squared positive zy squared is equal to 180. So therefore xy squared positive xz squared, yx squared positive yz squared, zx squared positive zy squared is 180 minus 120. So this is equal to 60. So xy squared, xz squared, y x squared, yz squared, zx squared, zy squared is 120. So I take this as 5. Okay, fair enough, so much so for this. Now what we have to do is we will have to take 4 with 1. Okay, hope you are watching this, and I'm going to take system 4 with 1 multiplied with 4. So consider 1 with 4. So what do I have is 1 is x, y, z, x positive y, positive z, multiplied with 4, which is x, y, positive y, z, positive zx. So 1 is 6 and 4 is 3, right? So what is this going to give us? Let me distribute this. So x into xy, so x squared y, positive xyz, positive cx squared, positive xy squared, positive y squared z, positive yzx, I'm going to write as xyz, positive cxy, so I'm going to write it as xyz, positive yz squared, positive xz squared is equal to 18. Now I have xyz, 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 so I'm going to take it as 3xyz. Now x squared y, positive x squared z, these two terms, positive y squared x, positive y squared z, positive z squared y, positive z squared x is equal to 180. Is equal to 18, not 180. This is just 18. Okay, 6 into 3 is 18. Now this entire quantity is already got here. See here? So from 5. So from 5 we have 3 times xyz, positive 60 is equal to 18. So therefore 3 times xyz is equal to 18 minus 60. So from 60 you take away 18, you get 10. 2 from 5 you take away 1, you get 4. So negative 42 is equal to 3 times xyz. Therefore xyz is equal to negative 42 divided by 3. 3 divides 1 and 3 times 4. So therefore xyz is equal to negative 14. Okay, fair enough. So now consider 4 again. Okay, so you have xy, positive yz, positive zx is equal to 3. This is 4. So you square both sides. So this is going to give you x squared, y squared, positive y squared, z squared, positive z squared, x squared, positive 2 times up. You multiply these two together, you get x, y squared and x, y squared and z. And from here you multiply these two together, you get x, y, z squared. You multiply these two together, you get x squared y, z is equal to 9. Okay, so this is x squared y squared, positive y squared, z squared, positive z squared, positive 2 times x, y, z can be taken out. I will get for y here, z here, x here is equal to 9. Now x positive y positive z, or x positive y, okay, we have this value, right, is equal to 6. So x squared y squared, positive y squared, z squared, positive z squared, x squared, positive 2 times x, y, z is negative 14, and x, y, z, this value is 6 is equal to 9. So now x squared y squared, positive y squared, z squared, positive z squared, x squared is equal to, now you have 28 multiplied with 6. 6 6 are 48, 4, 6 2 are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 168, right? 6 8 are 48, 4, 6 2 are 12, 168 with a negative sign. So you have a negative sign here, it goes up to the other side, it becomes positive. 168 added with, so 168 added with 9, 16, 17, 1, okay. 177, and this is x squared, y squared, positive y squared, z squared, positive z squared, x squared. So this is the value that we are getting. Okay. Now, what are we going to do with these values? That's a big question, right? We are asked to find the value of this. So let me consider x squared, y squared, positive z squared is equal to 30. Consider x squared, positive y squared, positive z squared is equal to 30. You square both sides. So it's going to be x squared, the whole squared, positive y squared, the whole squared, positive z squared, the whole squared, positive 2 times up. X squared, y squared, positive y squared, z squared, positive z squared, x squared. 30, 0, 0, 900. So what is this? This is already got. You see here? 177. So 2 times of 177, and this is x power 4, y power 4, z power 4. So 900 minus 7 to the 14, 1, 7 to the 14, 15, 1, 2, 2, 3. 10, 6. You have a 9, from 9 you take away 5, you get a 4, and then you have 8, from 8 you take away 3, you get 5, 5, 4, 6, 10, 10, 1, 10, 1, 9, okay, 5, 4, 6 is the value. So this step is actually 900 minus 7 to the 14, 1, 7 to the 14, 15, 1, 2, 2, 3. And on the left you have x power 4, y power 4 plus z power 4. So you subtract this, you get 5, 4, 6. X power 4, y power 4 and z power 4. Okay, so that is the evaluated value. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have an alternative method, please also put it down. Until we meet again.